Hi guys, it's Melanie. Unfortunately, it is 1 p.m.
Oh my god.
Well, this video is a
productive
day in the life. Usually, I do not sleep in. In fact, I wake up around like 8 or 9 because I have sleeping problems. But I guess my body does this thing every once in a while where it's like, oh my god, you're actually really sleep deprived, so I'm gonna let you sleep in. I guess that's what happened today, but we're not gonna let that get in the way. We're gonna have a productive day still. I swear, productive is my most used word. I can't shut up about productivity. We're gonna be getting ready because I feel like if I really want to be productive, I make sure to get ready. That means outfit, hair, makeup. We're gonna lower down the makeup for today just because I don't feel like wearing that much makeup, okay? Also, quickly before we get into the makeup, I want to say a huge thank you to Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. Today, I am just gonna be wearing a little bit of skin makeup because, as I was saying, I don't sleep very much. I want to show you guys my recent favorite product, the Sephora Acne Treatment Concealer. It's in a little bottle like this. The Sephora Acne Treatment is the perfect concealer to hide acne and blemishes, as you can tell by the name. It also has salicylic acid in it that helps to treat like incoming blemishes and stuff. A lot of times when I conceal my pimples, it just makes them worse, but this guy is like a 2-in-1. It helps them at the same time. It also comes in a bunch of shades at Sephora and is really affordable, like drugstore prices. It's only $14. Okay, so I'm just going to tie my hair back and get started with my makeup for today. I'm gonna go pretty natural. Now I just need a little help, not that much, okay? Let's start off with my skin. Sephora Collection's new acne treatment cover concealer to cover dark spots and blemishes. Usually I just use it like around my nose and like here I have some discoloration. I also had a pimple right here, so I'm gonna cover that. What I really love about this is it has 2% salicylic acid in it, so it actually helps your skin when you're using it, and it's kind of like a 2-in-1, which I really love. I need a mirror. I'm also using Sephora's Precision Conceal Brush just to blend that in. So that was super quick and easy and a nice base, and that's pretty much all I'm doing. Hi guys, I'm quite very much
annoyed
because my freaking SD card keeps not working. Like every time I film something, it's like,
oh my god, sorry, I didn't record any of that.
You're kidding. So, sorry if I'm a little bit aggressive in these clips. It's because I filmed this like 3 times. But I picked out my outfit finally. I have my little grandma outfit on. That's what I like to think. I look like a little grandma. I look like a little gardening grandma or something like that. I have this top from Urban Outfitters. The turtleneck is from Garage. I swear whenever I wear turtlenecks, it literally looks like you don't have a neck, and so it just throws me off. These jeans that I thrifted, but they're like the Walmart jeans, and then I upcycled them, and I'm gonna have a video on how I did that. And then I also have a shoelace belt. I wanted to show you guys some of my accessories because I finally decided my everyday accessories that I just always wear. Did dress up kind of a little bit because I will be going out today. We're going to Trader Joe's. I'm really excited about it. I literally get excited to go to Trader Joe's even when we weren't in quarantine. So now that I haven't left my house, it's literally the highlight of my whole life. But here are my daily accessories. First off, I have this little beaded chain necklace and this a Libra necklace, but I'm not really into like astrology or horoscope stuff, but I just thought it was kind of cute. Both of those are from Etsy, and then I also have this little cross one. I kind of made that because I didn't really make it. I just took a chain and then I took the 2 little pendants from separate necklaces and stuck it on the chain. Jewelry maker right here. And then I have my rings. This one, this little boutique I went to in Maui. Then I have this little heart one from Pandora. I did go downstairs and get some coffee, which is probably not the best idea. It's really good. Today I was also too lazy to make my Dalgona whipped coffee, so I just settled for some regular coffee, but it's okay. So caffeine sensitive, and I slept in a lot today. We both know who's not sleeping tonight. I did want to come on here and say the first step to my productive day is this planner. It's my life. As you can see, I write down everything. I also color coordinated. I think it's just because I like to check off boxes. But you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. I got a little excited, so I already wrote down the stuff I'm doing today. I just have schoolwork. so unmotivated with school, but I have schoolwork. Said earlier, I think I'm also gonna run some errands with my mom. The next thing I'm gonna do though is a devotional slash journal. I like to do this either right when I wake up or before bed. Very, very calming, and it's nice to spend time with God. It really sets my day up, you know, and puts me at peace. Either sets my day up or helps me to rest at night. I just like to play some music from my fave playlist. It's called God. Look at it. Cute. Finished my devotional, and I just got an order from Poshmark, so I thought I'd just show you guys my little setup. So first off, Poshmark has you print like the label. I grabbed one of these little packager thingies. Someone bought this cool long sleeve. Fold that up, the little shipping label, keep it down, slip this in here, and then I have my package, and I'm probably gonna go drop this off at the post office today while I go run my errand. Hi guys, so I'm with my mom. She's just dropping off some little gifties for like her church friends, and then we're gonna go grocery shops. We're gonna do a little Q&A.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Sound fun? Sound fun?
Okay, I cut my hair by myself during COVID-19.
Yeah, because she was impatient. She didn't let me do it.
Sorry, I couldn't wait. It was driving me crazy, and I cut too much.
This is a good one. What shows do you recommend watching? So we watch shows together like every night. So Mom, what are some of your favorites?
As far as series goes, I like New Amsterdam and the...
No, we don't watch that together.
Oh, together. We like Gilmore Girls, and we've been watching The Bachelor.
What?
The Bachelor.
Listening to your heart.
Listen to your heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like Bachelor in Paradise mixed with singing.
Oh, we've watched Dead to Me. That was good. And we like, what was that other one that ended that we like?
Big Little Lies.
Big Little Lies. That had a lot of people.
Okay, next question. What are some things you like to do with your mom?
Aw, that's nice. We're going shopping together.
Yeah, we're going grocery shopping.
Melanie likes to bake and I like to eat her food.
Yeah, it's fun. I love baking.
We like to do the family game now.
Oh, we've been playing Catan.
Yes.
Yes, Mom's really bad at it.
I'm learning.
You're not learning. You know how to play. She's just very nice in the game, and that's not how you play the game. What's your favorite worship song, Mom?
I have so many.
What's your favorite one right now?
Waymaker.
Me too.
Oh my God.
I love Elevation Worship. Do It Again. Or I also like Hillsong, Be Still.
This person asked, would you rather live in the city or by the beach? So for you, what do you think? And what do you think for me?
If I could just do anything I wanted, I'd live by the beach. I'd love that. You could go live in a forest far away from everything.
Why? Why would you say that?
You'd be safe.
What?
You'd be safe and protected.
From what?
I don't know.
What personality traits do I take from you, and which ones do I take from Dad?
You're very organized, but that's both of us. You're very smart. You're like your dad, very sharp. Yeah, you take after him for so many things.
Ooh, do I have a similar personality to you when you were my age?
In some ways. Like right now at this stage in life, like certain things, now that you're becoming like an adult, you're your own person.
Ooh, how was Melanie growing up?
Very easy to handle because she's very self-sufficient and very independent. We're fed up with something, you just scream. So I would forget that you need to be taken care of. So you would just
you'd forget?
You'd be like, like that, and then I'd be like,
Okay, so we're at Whole Foods now, so that was our little Q&A set. A lot of people asked about these masks. My aunt made them for us.
mine has golf stuff on it. It looks creepy, but happy COVID-19. I mean, that's not, you know, stay safe is what I mean.
Hi friends, so I'm home now. I just filmed a little grocery haul. I was going to just include it in this video, but the fact that I just filmed that and I talked about my food for a solid 20 minutes, it's gonna be a separate video to say the least. So I'm just gonna put all of my groceries away and then I'm gonna make myself some food. Hello again. I worked really hard. I made this beautiful salad. Actually, I don't know if it, wanna leave, bro? I made this salad. I don't know how to make a good salad because I don't know if any of these things go together. Hi guys, so I just FaceTimed my friend for a little bit. Now I'm doing some accounting homework because I'm trying to get ahead of my school stuff for this week. Not even ahead, I'm just trying to get my work done, but I'm severely unmotivated for school. I read for like 20 minutes. Honestly, I have absolutely
No clue.
what I just read, but I'm gonna call it good for now. I'm gonna go do some art stuff because my brain honestly needs a break. Thank God I didn't have class today because I honestly would have a mental breakdown. So I finished my art assignment. I was watching some Gilmore Girls with my mom while I did that. Now I'm really excited because I'm going to bake this recipe I saw on TikTok. Some
Healthy-ish.
brownies, and I'm gonna watch Hannah Montana the movie because I had the urge to watch this show. Finished product. I made some banana nice cream and put some chocolate chips, and then this is the finished little brownie thing. So if you want to see a recipe, it's gonna be on my TikTok. Hey guys, I'm showing you again. These are my finished little brownie bites. I have more in the oven. After I finish cooking these, I think I'm just gonna go finish my movie and crash probably. That was it for my productive-ish day. I want to once again thank Sephora for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out their acne coverage concealer, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're happy and safe and healthy during this time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I know it's getting late now, baby.